Once your account starts to grow, you can also charge others for sharing their posts on Pinterest. Hi guys! In today's video, we will see how we can increase our earnings on Freepik. Let's start the video. And head over to our Pinterest account, because I have increased my earnings on Freepik through Pinterest. First, you need to create a Pinterest account, and then log into it. Here you can see that I have opened my account. Here you can first see how many impressions I have gained in the last 7 days. If we look further, you will see the engagement of my account. Next, if you look, you will see the outbound clicks on my account. Now, what does this mean? It means how many people clicked on the links you added to your pins and visited your website or link. We will discuss this further in detail later. Next, we have Save option, which means how many people have saved your pin. Here we have 2 more options. One is Total Audience, and the other is Engaged Audience. These have decreased over the last 7 days, but the other metrics have increased, so it doesn't matter that much. Now, let's check the results for the last 24 hours. Here, we have gained 28,000 impressions, 739 engagements, 54 outbound clicks, and 52 saves. Now, if we check the results for the last 30 days, we have generated impressive metrics on Pinterest, which are quite impressive results. This has not only increased my earnings, but also promoted my Pinterest account. I have now applied the 90-day filter. Let's scroll down a bit and check the impression metrics below, which are showing very impressive results. I'm very happy since I started promoting content through Pinterest. Now let's scroll a bit further to see which of my top pins are performing well. Here you can see that my top 3 pins, which have the most impressions, are images of Palestine flags. Apart from that, all the content I have saved here is linked to my Freepik account. Now let me open one of the images and show you if the link is present. If you look at the top, you will see the Freepik link. Anyone who clicks on that link will be directed to my account and can purchase the image. You can also see the impressions and pin clicks for this single image. Now let's open another similar post and check its impressions and links as well. This is a wolf logo. You can see that it's also generating additional ideas. The impressions for this post are quite good, especially in the last 30 days. Besides this, there is a design related to Teacher's Day that I manually promoted for another contributor. This one also received good impressions, and it likely resulted in some sales as well. Now, if you also want to promote your Pinterest account and generate sales on Freepik, the first thing you need to do is create a Pinterest account. After that, make sure to add a Pinterest extension to your browser. This is important because sometimes there's a bug while saving a pin, and in such cases, we use the extension. Alright, now let's learn how to save a post on Pinterest. If you've added the Pinterest extension, you'll see an icon on every image, just like you can see here. Besides that, you can also share manually. First, we'll save it manually. You need to open your post. I've opened a random one here just to show you how to save a post from Freepik to Pinterest. You should see a share button here. Click on it and you'll see the Pinterest button. As soon as you click on the Pinterest button, a new tab or window will open. Here you can see all the boards I've created. If you want to save specific content, you can create a new board. If you can't find a board, you can also search for it using the search box at the top, just like I did. If you encounter an error like this while saving to Pinterest using the direct share button, as I did, the solution I already mentioned is to use the extension. We will utilize the extension to bypass this issue. Now I will save the image using the Pinterest icon that's appearing at the top, and it should save successfully. It will take a little loading time while saving, but it will save soon. After saving, I will show you whether this post has been saved to my Pinterest account or not. As you can see, I've come to my Pinterest account. The very first post here is the one we just saved from Freepik, and I apologize for hiding my profile. I've done this for privacy reasons. Some people tend to spam, so I decided to hide it. So guys, this is the method to share your posts on Pinterest. If you share 100 posts daily, and that's what you do, don't exceed that number, or else your account may go into spam on Pinterest and get banned. Additionally, once your account starts to grow, you can also charge others for sharing their posts on Pinterest. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Your support will help ensure that you receive such tricks and content daily. Come on, be a good kid. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. In the next video, we'll meet with something new. Until then, Allah Hafiz.